Kids learning. Air transport. Air transport. Air transport is the mode of transport used in movement of passengers or goods by aircraft in air. Airplane. An airplane is a flying vehicle that has fixed wings and engines or propellers that thrust it forward through the air. Helicopter. A helicopter is a kind of aircraft. Unlike an airplane, a helicopter can fly straight up and down, sideways, or backward. It can also spin around or hover motionless in the air. Helicopters can fly lower than airplanes. Wind glider. Wind glider or hang gliding is an air sport or recreational activity in which a pilot flies a light, non-motorized, heavier than air aircraft called a hang glider. Most modern hang gliders are made of an aluminium alloy or composite frame covered with synthetic sailcloth to form a wing. Parachute. A parachute is a device used to slow down an object that is falling towards the ground. There are two forces acting on the falling person: 1. Gravity, upwards; 2. Air resistance, downwards. Hot air balloon. Hot air balloon is a large balloon that is filled with heated air and that floats in the sky with a basket underneath for people to ride in air. Spacecraft. A spacecraft is a machine designed to be put into space. They can be used for observing the Earth, communication, navigation and space exploration. Fighter jet. Fighter jet is a high-speed military or naval airplane designed to destroy enemy aircraft in the air. Blimp. Blimp is a large aircraft without wings, consisting of a large bag filled with gas that is lighter than air and driven by engines. Blimps ideal for such uses as covering sporting events, advertising and some research. Rocket. A rocket is a space vehicle or missile, or the special engine that's meant to propel such a vehicle into the air. And it is a large cylinder-shaped object that moves very fast by forcing out burning gases, used for space travel or as a weapon. Spaceship. Spaceship is a crewed and usually piloted vehicle intended for use in space. Private jet. Private jet, business jet or bizjet is a jet aircraft designed for transporting small groups of people, typically business executives and high-ranking associates. Float plane. Floating plane is an airplane that can land on or take off from water. Propeller aircraft. A propeller is a rounded blade that rotates in a circle, helping to move a vehicle by pushing against water or air. A speedboat's propeller moves it forward by spinning against the water. Glider. A glider is an aircraft that soars through the air without the help of a motor. Some gliders look very much like airplanes. They have wings, a tail, a cockpit, an instrument panel, and a fuselage. Drone. The drone usually refers to any unpiloted aircraft. Sometimes referred to as unmanned aerial vehicles, these crafts can carry out an impressive range of tasks, ranging from military operations. Drones can be as large as an aircraft or as small as the palm of your hand.
Please like and subscribe my channel for more videos.